Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the Paleo Diet. Today, we're going to talk about what the Paleo Diet is, why it's popular, and why you need to know to get started. What is the Paleo Diet? The Paleo Diet is a way of eating that mimics the diet of our hunter-gatherer ancestors. It's based on the belief that our bodies are best suited to eating the foods that were available to us during the Paleolithic era, which was about 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago. During this time, humans were hunter-gatherers, meaning they obtained their food by hunting animals and gathering wild plants. They did not have access to grains, legumes, dairy products, or processed foods. The Paleo Diet is based on the idea that our bodies have not evolved to digest these foods, and that eating them can lead to health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Why is the Paleo Diet popular? There are a number of reasons why the Paleo Diet has become increasingly popular in recent years. Some people believe that it's a healthier way to eat as it's high in protein and healthy fats, and low in processed foods and added sugar. Others believe that the Paleo Diet can help to improve weight loss, reduce inflammation, and boost energy levels. What foods can you eat on the Paleo Diet? The Paleo Diet is based on a variety of foods that were available to our hunter-gatherer ancestors. These foods include meat, beef, pork, lamb, chicken, turkey, fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, poultry, eggs, fruits, berries, apples, bananas, oranges, vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, nuts, almonds, walnuts, pecans, seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. What foods should you avoid on the Paleo Diet? There are a few foods that you should avoid on the Paleo Diet, including grains, wheat, rice, oats, corn, legumes, beans, lentils, peas, dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, processed foods, anything that contains artificial ingredients, preservatives, or added sugar. How to get started on the Paleo Diet? If you're interested in trying the Paleo Diet, there are a few things you can do to get started. Number 1. Make a list of all the foods you currently eat. Number 2. Cross off any foods that are not allowed on the Paleo Diet. Number 3. Start by making small changes to your diet, such as replacing grains with vegetables and processed foods with whole foods. Number 4. Gradually increase the amount of paleo foods you eat and reduce the amount of non-paleo foods you eat. Here are some specific tips for getting started on the Paleo Diet. Breakfast. Instead of cereal or oatmeal, try eggs with vegetables or a smoothie made with fruits and nuts. Lunch. For lunch, you could have a salad with grilled chicken or fish, or a wrap made with lettuce and paleo-friendly toppings. Dinner. For dinner, you could have a steak with roasted vegetables or fish with sweet potatoes. Tips for following the Paleo Diet. Here are a few tips for following the Paleo Diet. Plan your meals ahead of time. This will help you to avoid making unhealthy choices when you're hungry. Cook at home more often. This way, you can control the ingredients in your food. Make sure to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Don't be afraid to snack. Healthy paleo snacks include nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. The Paleo Diet can be a healthy way to eat, but it's important to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need. If you have any concerns about following the Paleo Diet, be sure to talk to your doctor. Thanks for watching my video on the Paleo Diet. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on health and nutrition.